Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and you can share. But if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. Thank you for your support. I am Lillian. In today's video, I'll be talking about the tips of maintaining health and well-being as individual age. You're welcome back, guys. Now, the first tips for you to maintain health and well-being is by staying active. That is, you engage in regular physical activities, because these physical activities helps to promote your cardiovascular health, and also it makes your body flexible for the day and gives you strength. It also helps your muscle feel relaxed for the day job and everything, to make your work for the day easy. The second tip is for you to eat a well-balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, so as to ensure you get the essential nutrient that is needed for your body. The third tip is for you to try as much as possible to stay hydrated by drinking adequate amount of water throughout the day. The fourth tip is for you to learn how to manage stress. That is, practice stress reducing activities like your hobbies, taking a deep breath, and meditation. You try to meditate. Fifth tip is for you to always go for regular health checkup. That is, go for a regular body checkup. Try as much as possible to visit your healthcare practitioner so as to help you erase or help you monitor any health issues. The sixth tip is for you to try as much as possible to get enough quality sleep or rest, especially at night, because I know most of us don't like sleeping at night. What you try to do is try as much as possible, even if it's sleeping 8 hours in a day is enough. It's okay for your health. The seventh tip is for you to keep your mind active with activities such as reading and learning new skills, so as to support your mental health. The eighth tip is for you to reduce alcohol consumption. That is, for those taking so much alcohol, it's not advisable for you to take it, because this affects your health. So it's advisable for you is either you stop taking alcohol or you reduce it. That is, you take it in a moderate quantity or moderate ways. Then the final tips, that is the ninth tips, is for you to take care of your skin. Some of us, like those that wants to become fair by all means, they prefer using harsh products, harsh soaps, harsh cream, just to lighten their skin, and they've forgotten that those harsh products that they use can affect their skins in future, and this could lead to skin cancer, as it could make them have skin cancer in future. So it's not always good. It's always advisable for us to maintain our skin. Use mild products, mild soap that are good, that are rich and healthy for the skin. So thank you guys for watching. This is the end of my video for today. Please, once again, if you are new to this channel, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.